Your client photos are leaking their home addresses right now. Every image you upload contains hidden GPS data, and most professionals have no idea. Real estate agents, consultants, anyone handling client photos, listen up. That listing photo, it contains exact coordinates. That headshot from a client meeting, it shows where you met. Stalkers, competitors, bad actors, they all know how to extract this data. It takes 30 seconds and zero technical skill. This is a lawsuit waiting to happen. First tool, ExifTool AI. This is the gold standard for metadata removal. Here's the move. Set up a batch process. Drag an entire folder of client photos. Strip all location data in one click. The AI even flags images that might still contain visual location markers, like street signs in reflections. Pro tip: create a desktop shortcut that auto-strips metadata on any photo you drag onto it. Zero friction privacy. Second tool, Imagga. This is different. Imagga uses AI image recognition to analyze what's actually visible in your photos. It detects house numbers, license plates, street signs, things ExifTool removal misses. The actionable tip here: run client photos through Imagga's Content Moderation API before sharing. It auto-flags sensitive visual data you'd never catch manually. Set it once, runs automatically. Third tool, Canva Background Remover. Yeah, the design tool. Here's the angle nobody talks about. When you remove or blur backgrounds, you eliminate identifiable landmarks entirely. That client testimonial photo? Remove the background, add a gradient. Now nobody knows if they're in Manhattan or Montana. Use the batch edit feature to process dozens of images in minutes. Sponsor name is today's sponsor, and honestly, they fit